Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be talking about how to change ASOS delivery address. So let's just get straight into the video. ASOS normally doesn't allow changing the delivery address once the order is placed, as they pack orders quickly. If the order has already shipped, you must use the tracking link from the courier to redirect the parcel or let it return to the warehouse for a refund and place a new order. But there are a couple of immediate actions that can be done if the address is wrong, and that is going to be heading into your application, clicking on the profile icon, and clicking on Contact Us right over here. If you don't find the Contact Us button, click on Need Help. And then scroll all the way down at the bottom and click on Contact Us Now. And this is where you can get in touch with them in the chat immediately by clicking on Start Chat and tell them about your problem. I hope this video helps you out a lot. If it did, hit that like button. And if you have any more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.